Hi everyone, ready to learn some sounds? Let's get your looking eyes ready. Here's our next set of sounds. So we've got p, g, o, I. Super work. I'm going to shuffle them up. We'll do them again a little bit faster. So get your looking eyes ready again. Here we go. G, p, o, I. Super work. Now we're going to make some words with these sounds. So we're going to blend them. My turn, your turn. So I get a turn, you get a turn. Here we go. Our first word is my turn first. T, up, top. Your turn. That's it, it was top. T, up, top. This one's only got two sounds, look. You ready? My turn first. It, it. Your turn. It. My turn again. G, ot, got. Your turn. See, got. My turn. T, ip, tip. Your turn. Tip. My turn. P, I, pin. Your turn. Pin. Two sounds again in this one. My turn. It, in. Your turn. In. Last one now. Up, on. Your turn. On. Super sounding out, everybody. Now, let's see if we can do the words again using these sounds. So, are we ready? Our first word is on. 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 Oh no, that one's upside down. In fact, there's a few upside down. Next word is it, in. It, in. Next one, p, I, pin. Let's find the sounds. P, in, pin. Next we're going to do this one. T, ip, tip. Let's find the sounds. T first. T, ip, tip. Next word. G, ot, got. G, ot, got. It, it. Last one. T, up, top. T, up, top. Super work, everyone. Now, just before we finish, we're going to have a look at our sounds and we're going to put the two sounds that we've been learning together. So we're going to mix them up a little bit. And to have to do super looking. Lots of sounds in here. Are we ready? Good. Off. S. A. D. T. super work, everyone. Keep learning, keep having fun. See you soon. Bye.